Welcome to AI Smart Wealth. On this channel, we teach AI software and tools. Today, we're exploring Sora together. Let's have some fun with amazing effects.
Sora is one of the most impressive and creative tools from OpenAI. It's capable of generating fun, social media-style videos, just like the ones you see on TikTok. It can even create realistic voices, music, and high-quality cinematic films. Today, we're going to learn how to use this magical AI, Sora, step by step. I'll show you 2 ways you can work with it, along with some amazing examples. So stay tuned, and let's get started.
Alright, let's start with our first example. We're going to turn a text prompt into a video. In this one, a female singer is standing in the middle of a crowd, and as she moves through them, she magically transforms into a bird. Here's the prompt I used for this scene.
Now, for our next example, we've got a short cinematic story, and it's a funny one. Picture this: an orange cat riding a motorcycle with his girlfriend, racing through the streets of Los Angeles at night with police cars chasing right behind them. In the end, the officer stops them, checks their bag, and pulls out a tiny yellow chick. Here's the prompt I used for this one.
Hands where I can see him, off the bike.
Easy, easy.
What the?
It's...
Hey, he's on 7, stay on him!
Brothers, block the bridge now! Hands where I can see him, off the bike.
Easy, easy.
What the?
It's...
In this next example, we're going to create a promotional ad using an image. Just like before, we upload the product photo and ask Sora to generate an ad for us. And as you can see, it's done an incredible job. The result looks amazing, just like a real professional commercial.
Sparkling iced tea and refreshing raspberry. It's sparkling tea brewed from upcycled coffee leaves and sweetened with just 4 grams of real cane sugar.
In Sora's Explore section, I found a sample video of cows dancing and singing in a barn. I took that prompt, sent it to ChatGPT, and asked it to transform it into something new. Then I brought the new prompt back into Sora, and it created these adorable panda bears dancing and singing. Honestly, it feels like magic.
I created all these videos using Sora too. What do you think? Any fun ideas or suggestions for the next videos? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this video and want to support me, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss our updated videos, and don't forget to give this video a like. Your support helps me create even more fun and exciting AI content. Thanks for watching.